All right, boys and girls, we're going to color in the coins to match the number that is shown. So we have to think about what coins we would use to make the number without going over. So the first one says 15 cents. So if I color in a dime and a nickel, that's going to equal 10 plus 5 is 15. Now the next one says 9 cents. I can't color in a dime because that's 10. So if I go to the next coin, that's 5, and then how many pennies? 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. The next one says 22 cents. Can I start with my quarter? No. But I can do how many dimes? 1, 2. I want to skip the nickel because that will put me at 25, but I can do 2 pennies. And now I have 22 cents. My next one says 45 cents. Can I use my quarter this time? Yeah, there's 25. And then let's do a dime. 35, 45. So I need a quarter and 2 dimes, and then I'll have 45 cents. The next one says 19 cents. So we're going to do 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 4 pennies, like this. Let's see if you can think of a way to make 20 cents. What would be the best way to make 20 cents? 2 dimes. Good job. What about making 13 cents? 10, 11, 12, 13. And the last one says 37 cents. So we're going to do 25, 35, 36, 37. Good work, boys and girls. So you can go ahead and turn it over and start working on your rocket map.